So bring that here. Stick that in. I got it. Right there. Okay. All right. So you got that?
It's kind of hard to hold this up straight at that end.
Yeah, you don't have to hold it up straight. Just hold it so it doesn't fall out, because I don't want to push this in all tight or that we don't get it out again either. That's all there and ready.
We got to toss that
When
out
I
of the
cut, I'm tossing this over there.
When you're done.
I'm actually throwing it so that it doesn't get wet and shock
Okay.
me. And then this needs to get, you need to have one hand holding that,
To throw this over
and
there.
then just throw that over there.
Okay. Okay. I'll just have this one here. Okay.
Like, I gotta get this on first now. Well, that's not too much. That's what I was thinking. Oh, let's hold on. All right, stick it on. Oh, wait. I said, wait a minute. All right, drop this down. Yep. That's a lot less.
Oh, I was expecting a gusher.
Yeah, this was less than we thought right here. It's good though. Still a good amount of flow.
All right, remember to keep it
I'm
vertical.
trying. Does that look vertical from where you're at?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can only see one side from here. And then I'll put this up. Level. Going good.
Oh yeah.
I wanted a gusher.
You wanted to see some action, huh? I only brought one pair of socks today, so
Oh, no.
I'm thankful.
See why I had the line there.
Uh-huh.
Now the next secret is when you close this, you do it slow. Just off the hammer.
Just a
Just
shovel.
behind you.
All
All
right.
good.